Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to use Duet app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you're wondering, how do you actually start using the Duet app here? Well, using Duet app is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to install the Duet dating app here. So in this case, you get it either in the Google Play Store or the App Store here. So you can use these on your Android device or your Apple devices or your iPhone. So in this case, go and download that, and when you first open up the app, it will ask you to create your account. Now, obviously, you need to provide some basic information about yourself and also some preferences and your interests so that your profile could be set up. So yeah, so go ahead and go through that process. But in this case, we'll be discussing the general things that you could actually do within the app itself. So first is we have the, in this case, the dating page. So by the way, we have 4 pages here. We have dating. We also have the section for messages, your profile, and also the people that you've liked or people that actually liked you. So first is going to be the dating page here. Now, in the dating page here, we have Duet, nearby, and for you. Now, the Duet section is where you'll be able to basically see information about possible matches that you may be getting on the platform itself. So if you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see some information about themselves, and also you could basically click on the like button that you see there if you like that person, or you could go ahead and just click on the heartbreak icon there if you're not that into that specific person. Now, if you go to nearby, this will show you all the people that may be nearby around your area. So if you want to, like, for example, fast track this and immediately meet with them, well, in this case, it will show you the nearest people using Duet app in your area. Also, you have the For You page here, which allows you to basically see or create filters so that you could basically see people or match with people with the same interests or your preference, which in this case, something really great here if you want to look for that specific someone that you really want to meet. Now, also we have this section here. Now we have likes me and my likes. Now, likes me would actually show you the people that like you, but this page also shows you the people that you've liked as well. But also, if you really want to see the people that like you, you could actually unlock this, but this will require you a plan or premium plan in order for you to use it. Now, we also have the message section, which allows you to see the messages of the people that you've duet or matched with, which in this case, you can basically interact with them. Now, they also have the blind date feature here, which allows you to basically go into a blind date here and just date with people using avatars or virtual avatars here, which in this case, it will start with conversations, getting to meet them and see if you actually match. Now, we also have the profile feature, which allows you to basically see your profile and complete your profile. Now, this also allows you to basically see your general information about your profile, like, for example, your likes, the people that like you, and your pics. Now, also, you have the gear icon at the top right here if you want to change a few settings on your account. But at the the bottom sections here, you have the option to basically get the premium plan for Duet, just in case if you want to unlock the advanced features, like, for example, the option for you to view the people that actually like you. But yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So those are the basics here to start using the Duet app, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to enough inspo. Thank you for watching.